Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise Geography chapter 7, second part of chapter 7, and the first part is already discussed in the class. So now we are going to discuss the second part of this chapter, South America, and the topics are here. South America case study. Case study means life of Amazon basin. Then climate, vegetation, resources, and what are the resources are available there, how to utilize, then the people who are living there and how they are utilizing these resources, then forest, minerals, agriculture, then the other topics are here, transport system of South America, and what are the important cities and the people who are living in these cities, how to depend, what kind of transport they are using, what kind of life they are living. And after this topic, then we will reach the points to remember part of the chapter, and the important points are mentioned here. Land of South America, mainly mountains, highlands, grasslands, deserts. Then what are the farm products are available there, and what kind of climate is there, and vegetation, economic activities. So these are the contents included in this video, and after that we will discuss the exercise part of the chapter that already uploaded in the channel. So now let's revise. First topic is here, South America, and South America, that case study and the life of Amazon basin. So now we know that the Amazon basin that occupies a large part of tropical South America, and chiefly the northern and western, and means the northern and western part of America, South America, that means Brazil. So the land, the second is the land of South America, that means the Amazon basin is bounded by Guiana Highlands. We know that Guiana Highlands we can see in the north of South America, and the Brazilian highlands is there, that is in the south of South America. Then the Amazon is there, as you know that rises in the Andes, that is rising starting from the west of the basin. Then next topic is climate and vegetation of South America. Climate and vegetation, we know that the Amazon basin is very warm and wet region, and that's so the nights are cooler than days, but the temperature that do not very much during the year. So we can see there humidity is high throughout the year. So making the weather, that means humidity is high there, that's so making the weather is always sticky and uncomfortable. And next one is resources and utilization. And what are the resources? The resources are mainly mentioned here. Forest means the tropical rainforest we can see in South America. And this forest, that means we can see different products and different kinds of trees also there, such as for example mahogany, then like that Amazonian cedar is there, then ebony is there, rosewood. So like that many special, and that means these all the trees are special because that are providing excellent timber. Then after that the bark of cinchona tree is also there, and we know that the bark of cinchona tree that gives quinine, and quinine is a medicine, and that is using for the treatment of malaria. And so these are the products we are getting from the forest. And the next is minerals. Minerals means the Cerrados Carajás region is there. That's an important part. That means on the basis of this minerals, Cerrados Serra dos Carajás region, that is very important region because of that contain lot of minerals, and this is one of the richest reserves of iron ore. Then it is also deposit some other minerals like that gold, copper, nickel, manganese, tin, etc. Then next is agriculture. Agriculture means we know that the soil of Amazon basin, that is not fertile, but because of the continuous seeping of rainwater, that the soil washes down the nutrients, that soil is not suitable for agriculture. So the river banks, that means which are coated with a fresh silt every year during the floods, that's so fertile soil is there. Then the Native Americans, the people who are living in American, or that means American Indians, that is practicing some other method for agriculture, because most of the places the soil is not fertile, and they are applying an other practice for cultivation, that means a shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means that will help for that they are not temporarily, they are not permanently culturing anything there. Then crops are grown on a plot, then that means as long as its fertility will be last there, then they will be changed to another place. Then next one, animals also reared commonly there, and that is the part of Amazon basin. And next topic is transport and utilization. Transport is also mentioned.
The second part of this video, we know that the main topics are here: case study of the Amazon basin. That means life in the Amazon basin is mentioned here. The Amazon basin occupies large part of tropical South America, and chiefly the northern and western parts of Brazil. Large part of South America, that means the Amazon basin is occupies there, and mainly we can see that's the western part and northern part of Brazil. So the land, the Amazon basin is bounded by the Guiana highlands, that is in the north, and the Brazilian highlands. So these are the features mentioned here. Climate and vegetation is also there, and the land, the Amazon basin is bounded by the Guiana highlands in the north and the Brazilian highlands in the south. You know that the Amazon basin that rises in the Andes to the west of the basin, and it is the second largest river in the world. The Amazon is the second largest river in the world, and it covering almost the distance is about 6,400 kilometers, and that after that is reaching into the Atlantic Ocean. Then next is the climate and vegetation. The Amazon basin is very warm and wet region, and we can see that nights are cooler than days there, but temperatures do not vary much during the year, and humidity that is high throughout the region. That's so the weather that's becomes sticky and uncomfortable. The basin has a dense cover of a tropical rainforest also. So the next topic is resources and their utilization. Out of these resources, mainly we can see forest and minerals also there, and agriculture. So these 3 points are included in this chapter. So resources and utilization. Forest, the tropical rainforest of the Amazon and the dense forest of South America. The tropical rainforest of the Amazon basin, that's the most extensive and dense forest of South America. Then this forest yields various products. Look at that, what are the products are there? Trees such as mahogany, Amazonian cedar, then ebony, rosewood, etc. These are growing here and we can found here. Then the barco tree that already we discussed that's that gives quinine, and quinine is used for the treatment of malaria. Then harvesting timber from rainforest is not very economical there. That's so the trees of many types are growing in this forest, and these trees are particular kind, do not grow together in large groups. Then the dam of marshy ground that is covered with a thick undergrowth that makes it difficult to transport the cut logs out of the forest. Then the second resource is here minerals, and the Serra dos Carajas region is rich in minerals. It has one of the richest reserve of iron ore in the world, and it has deposits of other minerals like that gold, copper, nickel, manganese, tin, and bauxite. So mining is an important economic activity here. The next is agriculture, and the soil of the Amazon basin is not fertile because of the continuous seeping of rainwater throughout the soil that washes down the nutrients to the lower layers. However, the river banks that is coated with a fresh silt every year during floods have fertile soil. The Native American Indians also there, that's always practicing shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means they cut and burn trees to create small plots, and crops are grown on a plot as long as fertility lasts. Then after that, the plot is then abandoned for a new one. Then and look at that. What are the chief food of or chief food crops of this Amazon basin? Manioc and cassava. Manioc and cassava is the chief food crop. And other food crops also we can see here. That means rice, maize, beans, and potatoes. Coffee, cacao, Brazil nuts, and black pepper are important commercial crops. Animals also they are rearing. That's also rearing commercially, and that we can see on the parts of the basin, and that have been cleared of forest. Then the last topic is transport, cities, and people of the Amazon basin. Then it is difficult to construct road and railways in the Amazon basin because of the dense vegetation and the damp swampy ground. That's so the waterways, and most of the people are using waterways are the only transport route in some areas. The Amazon and other tributaries are navigable, and modern boats and ocean going vessels also we can see there as in the form of water transport. Then many of the cities of the basin have air services also, and this is airports we can see there that international airports are there, and but the uncomfortable climate, that means the dense forest cover, pure transport facilities, and frequent outbreaks of some diseases like malaria, yellow fever. The Amazon basin has never been densely populated. That is very important. The Amazon basin have never been densely populated because of this some uncomfortable climate, then a pure transport facility, and outbreaks of diseases, etc. Increased economic activities of the Amazon, harvesting timber, mining important mineral rich region, and commercial crops also there. The forest also absorb a huge amount of carbon dioxide. And now we can see that shrinking of Amazon forest will also considerably reduce transpiration. Transpiration means that loss of moisture from plants in the region, and this will turn reduce rainfall, making the region drier, etc. So these are the main points included in this revision video. And along with this, the exercise part of the chapter is there. That's already uploaded in the Teams. So revise all the topics from this video and you can complete your work from the PDF. I'm going to wind up this session now. Okay, bye.